Hello there and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to have our first ever unboxing episode here. And ito na siya. For almost a few months, nandito na yung ating stand mixer. So let's going to unbox this here in my channel. Before that, yung nakalagay dito is yung information from the point of origin and sa aming store. And Visayas and Fragile, and ito, natawa ko. Nakasabi dito is nakatayo lang siya. Malamang. Anyway, we have our scissors here. So excited! Oh, ang saya ko. Oh my gosh. Contour silver siya ng KitchenAid. May simbak niya parang solid talaga. And of course, don't forget to sanitize your parcels kasi medyo risky yung panahon ngayon. Especially nang galing pa ito sa Manila. And maraming kamay na nag-transfer nito. So, be careful lang. Oh my gosh, my first ever. Actually, may mixer na ako dito dalawa. Yung white at saka yung yellow yung ginagamit namin. Pero it is from my mother. So, ito talaga yung aking somehow binili ko parang investment natin sa aming business. Ganyan niya guys. Parang ayaw ko siyang buksan. Buksan na natin, syempre gamitin natin siya. 1, 2, 3, and... Oh, may isa pa pala. Oh, okay. Medyo nabasag yung kanyang... Ano? Ang tawag dito? Yung styrofoam. Buti lang yung styrofoam nabasag. So, check natin kung merong somehow na damage kasi malayo yung pinanggalingan niya. Ito may reminder dito na this item is 110 volts. So, good thing ito kasi medyo merong mga hindi natin may iwasan na medyo mga careless na mga customer na saksak na sa 220 and yung putok manual. Congratulations on your stand mixer purchase. Wow. I think this is a menu of the attachment that they are selling. Ito yung okay, yung protection na parang hindi mag-overflow yung floor. Ito yung nabasag na part ng styrofoam. Pero okay na kasi so far wala namang damage. Medyo messy lang siya ng styrofoam na mga debris. Follow attachment. Next one is yung cutting hook. The hook. Flex edge cutter. Hirap kunin ng wire whisk niya. Mabigatan ng mixer kanina nung kinuha ko siya sa labas namin. Mas magaan ito compared sa aming color yellow na mixer. Kasi siguro sa innovation naman ng technology. Kasi itong mixer na to is around 17 years old. Or bakit mas magaan ito compared dyan? Kasi yung materials na yun medyo matibay na pero lightweight. So ito na yung official na content ng ating mixer. Ang ganda niya guys, parang ang pogi niya. Parang matibay talaga yung dating niya, yung kulay niya silver, and ito na yung parts. So ngayon, itatry natin siya using our transformer. So dapat may transformer kayo if you are using 110 volts capacity mixer kasi if hindi, yung motor niya is masusunog and masira yung unit mismo. So be careful guys if ever you're purchasing online. Make sure to be knowledgeable about its input power. Lagyan nila ito in a purpose kasi baka may I'm going to try the whisk of the mixer kasi napakaganda ating grabe to yung pag-whip sa egg whites namin. 3, 2, 1. Nanibago na siguro ako. Ito yung hook. Ay, yung flat beater ko. Yung na-notice ko sa KitchenAid, akala ko sira. Hindi siya pareho sa deluxe namin and yung sa may classic namin na wala siyang spring dito sa kanyang attachment banda. So, yun. Akala ko nakulangan siya ng spring or natanggalan. Hindi lang. Ganyan lang talaga siya. Nice yung hook. I think we're going to make some bread soon here in my channel. Ganda rin. Quarts edge beater. I think this will come in handy in making chocolate cakes or cookies kasi sinuscoop niyo talaga yung edge ng mixing bowl para ma-thoroughly mix lahat. Kasi if you don't have a flex beater, meron na instances that you have to turn off your mixer and you have to scrape on the side of the bowl. So this will come in handy talaga. Medyo may sound lang siya na nagsisqueak kasi nag-hit yung flat beater na rubber part sa edge ng mixer. So I think normal lang ito. Try natin to So yan, perfect. I think dito siya sa gilid na kasi two-way. Kasi hindi siya fully 100% na covered. Parang naka-U siya. So the purpose of this siguro, I think, na dito siya sa may body ng head ng mixer para if ever may splatter, hindi siya sa part na walang attachment niya. Unlike dito sa attachment ng deluxe na KitchenAid and yung sa classic, yung 6-quart na KitchenAid is parang may hinge siya. So you have to do like this na lang. Ito yung sa classic. Okay. Same size lang sila pala. Try ko lang. So, yun. Kasi sa classic, I don't know makita ba dyan. Dapat kukunin mo yung part na ito ng parang lock niya sa kanyang attachment side. Ito sa 6 quarts, hindi na. Naka-attach na siya talaga. Hindi siya misplace. Kasi yung disadvantage naman kung parang ganitong style na kukunin mo pa, baka may instances or chances na ma-misplace mo siya during your work. So, yun siguro yung disadvantage sa mga classic and sa deluxe. So far, hindi pa ako nakabili ng attachment sa aming mixer kasi yung talagang ginagamit namin siya is for our cakes, especially in whipping our egg whites. And gamit natin palagi is ito, yung flex edge. And ito sa cookies. Sa shawarma, I hope makaya niya ito ng 1 kilo. Hoping, hindi pa ako nakaturo ng research ng mga example, mga limitations ng mixer na 6 quarts. So, I believe it is heavy duty. Maganda rin talaga para sa pogi talaga. Hindi ako makapaniwala na nakabili ako nito kasi may kamahalan nga to dito, pero overseas medyo mura siya. Although may patong na sila, pero it's still a big amount. Kasi dito, meron itong on sale, it's around the 65,000. So I have bought this around half its price. So, although na bibili ka dapat ng transformer para hindi yung capacity ng kanyang voltage is makaya, pero it's not that big thing na or disadvantage kasi transformers are available anywhere here in nearby hardware store or whatsoever. So, yun, hindi siya ganun ka big deal na 110 volts siya. I mean hindi siya ganun ka disadvantage kasi you have buy this para magamit siya. Parang hindi naman siya ganun ka big issue because it will serve its purpose. At saka KitchenAid is sa ibang box nila nagki-claim sila talaga na sila yung number 1 brand ng mixer sa buong mundo, which is true for me kasi masasabi ko siyang the best kasi eto 17 years na sa amin. Ito around coming 7 years yata. So yung mga issue lang nila, yung na-experience natin so far is yung sa kanilang dito sa kanilang switch. Kasi through the time, yung parang yung 2 and 4, 6, 8, 10, yung minsan siya dito sa aming deluxe, yung 2 and 4 parang naging isa na lang. And yung 6 and 8 parang isa na lang. And 8 and 10 parang hindi na siya masyado nag-follow ng kanyang speed na dapat sa kanyang number dito sa kanilang speed dial. Yun lang. Pero hindi naman siya ganun ka-big issue kasi it will serve its purpose as a mixer talaga, especially in whipping egg whites. And I can say that KitchenAid mixer is really a reliable brand of mixer everywhere. So I have not yet used other mixers so far. We have our handy mixer Immerflex and another mixer Immerflex also, but I am not using it that much kasi nga meron akong mixer. And mas efficient yung KitchenAid mixer. I think meron dito. It has a power capacity or input ng 590 watts compared sa 4.5 quarts ng Immerflex is around 800 watts. So, mabibili mo yung Immerflex in a lower price here in the Philippines. Pero yung power input niya, yung kinakain niyang kuryente is malaki. So, mura nga siya, pero yung long-term na usage niya, sa kuryente siya babawi ng ng kanyang input. Doon kayo mamahalan sa electric bill niyo. On the other hand, sa KitchenAid naman, although mahal siya, pero yung kanyang input power is medyo efficient siya. Compared dito, 6 quart is 590 compared sa Immerflex is 800 watts. So, malaki talaga yung difference niya. Hindi ako makapaniwala na on hand na natin siya. So, we were going to have more ingredients and more service to other people, especially during their birthdays and holidays. So it is really a big help for us to produce more cakes with the help of this very, very nice, durable, and reliable mixer of KitchenAid. So there you have it, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this very first episode of our unboxing video. And I hope meron pa tayong future more unboxing episodes sa mga mangyayari dito sa ating channel. So I hope this video is somehow informative to you, and I hope you will subscribe to my YouTube channel for more future videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.